Hello everyone, this is Alvin from Shining 3D. In the previous episode, we have unboxing the OptimScan-5M Plus and learned how to install scanner. In this video, we will talk about calibration, since this is a high accuracy scanner with accuracy up to 5 micro. The calibration will be very important. We will calibrate the focal length, aperture, working position, and etc. during the calibration process. To ensure a metrology grade accuracy, we will recommend you to calibrate when you're using the scanner for the first time and calibrate around every 14 days. Also, if the optical and camera lens are switched or the scanner has been reinstalled, you need to do the calibration. And let's see how to perform a calibration. Before calibration, we will have the coarse adjustment. You can skip this coarse adjustment, but we recommend you to finish it before the calibration. Since during the coarse adjustment, the focal length, aperture, and working distance will set appropriately and makes your calibration and scanning process more efficient. During the coarse adjustment, you can click right arrow to next step or left arrow to the previous step. First of all, you need to choose the range you want to use according to the size of the scan object and the required data quality, and install the corresponding optical lens and camera lens. Then follow instructions to adjust the aperture of the optical lens to 6. Just loosen the screw, rotate to 6, and tighten the screw. Next, place the corresponding calibration board on the flannel cloth and with the wet side facing up. Make sure the scanner head is approximately vertical to the board and adjust height until the two laser points overlap. To closely adjust the aperture of the left and right lenses, flip the calibration board with markers facing up and make sure the side with one big marker facing forward. Keep the distance, loosen the aperture screw, and adjust until the markers show slightly reddish. Then fasten screw. If it cannot achieved by adjusting the camera aperture, you can adjust the camera brightness. Then we are heading to adjust the camera focal length. Loosen the focal length screws of the left and right cameras, and adjust the focal length to the far right first and then to the far left. Click Next. Slowly adjust camera focal length until the difference between the current value and ideal value is less than 2 and tighten the screw. Next step is to adjust the angle and position of the scanner according to the indicator until all the 4 positions are with green check mark. During the process, make sure all 4 large markers and as many small markers as possible need to be visible in the camera. You will need to move the calibration board while adjusting the position of the scanner. The 9th step is to adjust the camera aperture precisely. Flip the calibration board with the right side facing up, loosen the aperture screw of the right and left camera, and adjust the aperture according to the instructions until the indicators are complete. The last one is adjusting the focal length of the optical lens. Loosen the screw and adjust the focal length to the far right and then to the far left. Adjust it until the current value turns green and the cross mark on the board is clear and sharp. Tighten the screw. Now we are finishing the coarse adjustment process. Click the calibration button to go to the calibration process. Place the calibration board horizontally with markers facing up like in the image. We have 7 steps total. Adjust the part in the purple wire frame according to the indicator. For the up left one, slightly adjust the angle of the board, refer to the purple arrow. Upper right indicator will tell the pitch angle of the scanner. For the bottom left image, will show you the angle that the scanner needs to rotate in the vertical direction. And adjust the height of the scanner referred to the bottom right indicator. Ensure that 4 large markers and as many small markers as possible need to be visible in the camera window. Otherwise, the indicator will disappear. Hence, you need to adjust the position of the calibration board while adjusting the scanner. And if the markers are in the camera window, but you still cannot see the indicators, please adjust the height of the scanner. After all 4 positions with green check mark, click Capture to the next step. The software will calculate the calibration result when finish the last step. If calibration failed, you need to recalibrate. And remember to put the calibration board back to its case to prevent scratches or damage. These are all for today's video. Hope you are familiar with the calibration of OptimScan-5M Plus after watching. Please contact us if you have any questions and feedback. Thanks for your time.